My brain is crazy full. One last look at this handsome face.
No, not a handsome face.
There, not a handsome face.
You know what? Good news.
Hello. We're still in Puerto Rico. We're starting our next journey, and we're taking you with us. First stop, coffee.
Evan's gonna shave everything off.
Everything off?
Yeah, everything off.
How excited are you?
Very.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10. What if I said 1 to 100? You said 10.
100. No one say 1 to 100. It's 1 to 10.
I might have. I should have. I should have said on a scale of 1 to 42. 10. Okay, one last look at this handsome face.
No, not a handsome face.
Oh, one last look. There, not a handsome face.
I have to shave.
Wow.
I have to shave with a handsome face.
Okay,
right
let's
now
go.
it's not a handsome face.
Let's go. Whoa. Better?
I like it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Little less sexy, but...
No,
okay.
it's very sexy, very handsome. Now take off your robe.
Listen, this is a family channel. Family channel. Baby face. Alright, back to work. We got stuff to do.
Evan did a lot of work.
Oh yeah?
What were you working on?
Oh my gosh, I did all book promotion stuff. We got the strategy down, got the bonuses down, started recording ads. I recorded, I don't know, 8 or 9 different ads. Wheels are in motion. I don't even know what's happening right now. Wheels are in motion, corralling the team. Tomorrow the next couple days are going to be totally off the grid because they're going to be at Brendan's thing. So trying to get as much done today as possible. But the wife is feeling a little bit sick, so we're going to go for a quick walk because we love her. Because you got to take breaks to support your wife.
We're gonna go eat.
Yep. Dinner's good? Dinner's pretty good. Fresh.
Yeah.
The salmon was really fresh. Really like the salmon. Good.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. First time we've had any kind of, I guess we've been lucky. It's tropical. We should expect lots of rain.
Yeah.
Haven't had any rain yet. It's just a light sprinkle,
Yeah.
but pretty good.
Mhm.
Time to go home. What are we gonna do?
Well, I don't know. You have to finish your phone thing.
Gotta finish some work. We're gonna watch something?
No,
No?
I'm not watching from that small laptop.
Spoiled. Spoiled. All right, go home, finish some work, relax independently, I guess.
Yeah.
Nina's gonna play her game
I'm gonna watch my Chinese show.
and watch a Chinese show. All right, well, I will do my own thing then
Okay.
and feel amazing about it.
Okay. Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay.
We just woke up. It's the next day. Part of my morning routine is got to put some music on and dance. So Nina decided to film me as I'm trying to find my music to dance to. Today we're leaving this hotel, going to the fancier one. Last day. How is this hotel for you, Nina?
Pretty good.
Good. Last day to see this view, and hopefully we get an even better one today. So it's 7 a.m. I gotta put music on and dance, get some coffee when Lena gets ready, and then we gotta be at Brendan's place. We gotta leave by what? 8:30? 8?
Yeah.
8. We're gonna leave by 8. So we got 1 hour. Let's go!
Right, let's go, Evan.
Let's do it.
Everyone's waiting for you.
All right, everyone, let's go.
Every time.
Huh?
You stretch every time when you get into the elevator.
Trigger. Elevator equals stretch. You gotta stretch, guys. You gotta stretch. Wow, stretch.
Right, We have arrived, Evan.
We're here.
Very nice.
Very nice. Our room isn't ready yet, but
Yeah.
we're gonna hang out here. Nina will take you on a quick B-roll tour of some fancy things here on the property while we wait for our room to get ready. Exciting.
This place is gorgeous, looking out right at the beach. As soon as you walk in, there's a little bar area, and then there's a closet for all the stuff, and there's a bathroom here that's facing outside. I don't know about showering here, but there's no curtain. Hello. And then 2 king-size bed. I'm gonna sleep here. Evan's gonna sleep there. We're gonna sleep separately in the next few days. I like to have my own bed. And there's a huge TV, working station, and then balcony. I love this balcony. It's bigger than the balcony that I have at home. This is our view for the next few days. This is Evan's first time coming to this
Yeah, I haven't
room.
seen the spot. Nina's vlogging.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have 2 beds.
Yeah, I told them this is my bed, that's your bed. This is your bed, that's my bed.
I'm by the window. Okay, great.
Well, or we could
Lounge
sleep
area
together
here.
if you want.
What
It's
size
king
is that?
size bed.
2 king-size beds.
Yeah.
Dining TV here.
Yeah.
Oh, and then
The balcony.
balcony, and then out there is the beach, which we
Yeah.
can't really see right now.
So Evan is at the meet, the mastermind with Brendan, and I'm just here, chill myself, have a coffee, have a lunch, and enjoying this view. I just finished my lunch. The lunch salad was really good, and the fish that I got was so good. They cook it just right, and I like the salad dressing too. Anyways, gonna try to find my way back to the hotel room, and because I'm taking a different route right now. I feel like I'm in the rainforest. Look at this. Look at the size of these avocados. They're ginormous. Evan,
Yo.
how you feeling?
Oh, man.
We just came back from dinner.
Oh.
It was a great dinner. I had a lot to eat
What
tonight.
is it? It's 10 o'clock.
So-
I got there at 8, just before 8 o'clock. It's been a 14-hour day. Non-stop meetings, chatting, conversations, all higher level stuff. My brain is crazy full. There's so many things to do that I just really now need to focus and execute. Super grateful. Lots of amazing people. A bunch of people that I had known, like Jay Shetty and Prince EA, and a bunch of people who we've talked but haven't met, and then people who I've already met, like Lewis Howes and Tom Bilyeu and Brendan and Dean, all those guys. So, and a bunch of other people. Awesome group, crazy ideas. I've got a notebook full of notes, and I need to.
Execute that.
Yeah, like I'm great. So it's Friday, right? So now it's Friday. Tomorrow's Saturday, and then one more day of this, and then Sunday we go home. And so I'm gonna need to find some. I'm behind on all my work. I haven't done anything. I need to find some time to just figure out what's the best use of time. How I'm gonna prioritize all the list of ideas and do something. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed with ideas.
But it's good.
It's fantastic. It's fantastic. I'm ready to go home and execute, but I'm overwhelmed with ideas. So next step is I gotta prioritize what order we're gonna do things in, and then just start kicking butt. That's the plan. Good night.
All right, Evan. This is your last day.
Last mastermind day.
Are you excited?
Before we go home. Yeah, I feel a lot better. I organized my notes last night, so now I have Yesterday was, last night I was feeling super overwhelmed, just too much stuff. But I organized it, have a decent roadmap. I got my to-dos for today. Gotta track a few people down. Gotta get some pictures, get some quotes, ask some questions. So I'm excited. And Nina is gonna come to breakfast for the first time. She's been nervous, she's been scared, she's been introverted.
I'm very introverted. You say you're introvert? I'm more introvert than you.
You're an introvert competition?
No.
So Nina's gonna come for the first time, which makes everybody happy.
Everybody's you.
No, it makes you happy, makes Believe Nation happy, everybody. Let's go.
Since we've been here, Evan hasn't really walked around the resort.
Just been meeting. What have you been filming since I haven't been?
I filmed some, but not a lot.
On the beach?
Yeah, I even filmed last night's dinner. The dinner was great.
Nina's been relaxing, sending me pictures of the beach and cocktails while I've been working on the high performance mindset and masterminding with all the guys. It was, anyway, super fun. We leave today.
Yeah.
And
but we have a few hours, so Evan's gonna walk around, enjoy this resort.
I get to see the resort.
There goes to your walk of the day. Look at this ring. All right, 2 minutes later. Let's try it again.
I'd go 5. It was 5 minutes later.
It's sunny right now.
Yeah. Great. Look at that. Hello.
You'll get used to this?
Nina's vlogging. I get used to this?
Yeah.
Nina could get used to this for sure.
There's a rainbow here.
You're a rainbow, Nina.
Someone decided to go in for a swim. The rain started to came down again. Look at this rain. And this guy decided to go to the cold plunge. Freezing cold. Where is he? I can't find him. Oh, there he goes. Oh, right now it's a whole rainbow.
Yeah, check it out. The whole rainbow is out. Look at that.
Normally I'm at the beach by myself, but today I have my man with me.
I kind of worked out. I didn't do as much work tonight.
Hey, I'm talking good thing about you.
Huh?
How's your day so far, Evan? Carmichael?
A day with Nina is always a great day.
Evan is packing.
Yeah?
I'm all packed. I put everything in my... Oh yeah, I packed most of your stuff in my suitcase.
Yeah.
And then have some stuff in my backpack.
I was
And then-
recording ads outside.
Time to go home.
Go!
I'm gonna miss the sun here.
You bring the sun everywhere you go.
But I like the heat here though.
You bring heat everywhere you go.
Then I'll turn up the heat in the
No,
condo.
air conditioning. To the
No.
max in the winter. February,
No.
Canada needs to have air conditioning.
No, then you could just set up a bed outside. You could sleep outside.
It's a little too cool.
On our way to the airport.
Yep.
Time to go home.
Yeah. Feeling good.
Yeah.
Feel good after that water.
Mhm.
Brendan kept saying you had to go into the water. It's magical. Okay.
All right, we went through the border, the custom. Check, everything is checked. They didn't stop us. Now we have to find our lounge. And Evan's carrying my suitcase. How you doing, Evan? You have a headache?
Feeling better.
Yeah.
Feel better. Just need to eat something, I think.
Okay, we have to go. This guy, I told him half an hour ago, more than half an hour ago, we need to leave. in half an hour, but we didn't end up leaving until 45 minutes later. I don't know what he was doing. Okay, we're at the gate. I'm tired.
Haven't even boarded yet.
I'm out of my breath. I need to work out more.
Right? Let's go, Nina. Come on.
Are you ready to go home? I'm ready to go home.
Yeah?
Yeah. I missed home.
You know what?
I don't miss the cold.
You know what? Good news.
What?
We're going home.
Too much snow in Toronto.
Yeah.
Plane ran out of fuel. So we went to Ottawa.
Can you be more detailed?
What do you mean? That's the details.
No. There were people, there were plane waiting to get in, and then waited too long. The plane out of fuel, ran out of fuel, so we have to go to the closest airport. That's Ottawa.
Which is a 4-hour drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see. Hopefully we can refuel and get back. Otherwise, plan B.
Well, we finally landed in Toronto. What a night. What an adventure with our flight. It's either cancel or like no fuel. Evan is in a hurry. I'm gonna stop because I have to catch up to him. Okay, we're home. Almost. In the elevator, going home. I'm happy. We didn't have to stay in Ottawa. Yes.
Didn't have to drive.
Yeah, that would be crazy.
13
Yeah,
hours of
crazy.
traveling.
Yeah,
We're here.
yeah.
Boom. Amazing trip. Lots to work on. If you want to see what we do next, click the video right there. Team to believe. Much love.